guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Y'all, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and y'all share my video. Okay, but anyway, y'all, I told y'all it was gonna snow, right? So it's really snowing out there. We gotta go check it out because I haven't been outside yet. But we about to go check it out. But before I go, I need to dress the attire. Okay? So, put me on a scarf. Put me on this coat. Like, y'all, I really need to dress the attire because it's cold out there. And it's like, it's still snowing. Oh, my ankles gonna be cold. Okay, so let's see. Take my bonnet off. Okay, now I can put my shoes back on. Whew. Okay, y'all. So got my scarf. Cause y'all, it's cold. Woo. Okay, y'all. I think I'm ready. What y'all think? I think I'm ready. So, we're going outside. Okay, so, y'all. We're going outside, y'all. Going outside. Cause yeah, I knew it was gonna snow. I knew it. But y'all. Ooh, yes, honey. That's a lot of ice out there. Hold on. Y'all see it? I wish I had some gloves. Ooh, it's hard too. This ain't snow, this is ice. Folks still driving in the snow. Y'all, this is ice, this is not snow. Oh my God, it's cold. But it's still snowing. It's still snowing, y'all. I hope I don't fall though. But yeah, y'all, look at the snowflakes. Hold on. Snowflakes, y'all. Hold on, y'all can see it. Y'all see it? It's still snowing. I had to come back in the house, y'all, because it's cold out there. But as y'all can see, it is snowing out there. So yeah, I'm stuck, y'all. I can't go nowhere, okay? But in the meantime, I am gonna be doing a little cleaning. So I guess you could say, you know, this is cleaning vlog also. But y'all, it really don't feel like snow. It feels more like ice than anything. Cause like last time when it had snowed, I could step on the ice and it wasn't hard. It was soft. But this time I stepped on the ice. almost fell and bust my tail. So yeah, I feel like it's more icy than anything. But people is still driving on the roads, y'all. People still driving on the roads. Honey, they better than me, cause no. I couldn't do it, y'all. I can't do it. My anxiety is too bad for stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But yes, y'all. So we're gonna be cleaning. I might do a deep clean today. I do have some MisxK.Clean dry erasers. I like using those because it get everything, you know, off. You know, like whatever you're trying to get off, it will. You scrub it real good, it'll come right off. But yeah, y'all. So I just feel like I need a deep clean. You know, like I feel like today is a perfect day to deep clean. You know, because you want your house clean at the same time because it helps the mind out. So, yeah. So, we're just going to start from the front of the house to the back of the house. Okay? And, yeah. But, stay tuned, y'all. Alright. I'm trying to, anyway. Try to cook some breakfast. I think I'm going to have eggs and bacon. I'm gonna make a sandwich out of it. I could have put it in a crock pot. I mean, no, I said a crock pot. I mean the what's that thing called? Air fryer. Yeah. So. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try like a new diet thing, whatnot. When I say that, I mean like exercising. Now, I don't go to the gym. Maybe I will start going. Nah, the home gonna be my gym. The home gonna be my gym. Cause yeah, I don't have time to go out like that. Like especially like to the gym. You know. So. I'm gonna be exercising right here, okay? But anyway, let's try to cook some breakfast.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
Ay, look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, I got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, huh? I'm in my bag, bitch, huh? I'm on your ass, bitch, huh? I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, huh? Bitch, I do pimp shit, huh? Oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Megan. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do.
Y'all, I got to floss just because my dentist had told me it's best that I do this every day. When I go to bed, when I wake up, the whole 9 yards, up until I got to do my procedure. Well, really my teeth cleaning. So, it's already been.
Send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks, they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, run flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Yo bitches bursting, they fucking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be choosing. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, huh? I'm in my bag, bitch, huh? I'm on your ass, bitch, huh? I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, huh? Bitch, I do pimp shit, huh? Oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit,
That's my facial skin routine. And then I put on me some Aquaphor for my lips so it won't be so dried in. So yeah, I use this. And I don't use a lot because I don't need a lot. And I just put some on my lips.